I always joke around with all my friends. I have the best job in the world. It's really cool. You get to laugh, you get to play, you get to watch children grow, but you get to be a contributing factor in families. And the fact that you can help teach people how to be parents, teach people not only how to be parents, but how to deal with complex situations, and also to provide reassurance every day is cool. In the first visit, I always try to understand who I'm talking to. I think it's important to take 5 minutes and spend a little extra time with these first patients when they come in, just so we can understand who they are, what their needs are, what their expectations are, and maybe identify some needs that were missed along the way, especially when you're dealing with new patients that have a couple of years of established care behind them. The most important thing is, especially in pediatrics, again, it's about forming a relationship, a long-term relationship, that you need to have that close-knit feel. You need to be able to have confidence, but also just a familiarity with the people who are treating your child. I mean, it's probably the most important person in your life, and you got to go see somebody who you know, trust, but also can be familiar with. How do we maintain a healthy lifestyle? How do we maintain a healthy emotional balance? All these other types of questions and issues we address there, and it's actually, I would say, probably the majority of our time is spent really dedicated towards either prevention or education. It's amazing to look back at a child, and again, looking at children even just a few years back and saying, wow, they went from having this severe issue or this complication, or I remember mom having some real problems, or dad who was really struggling with this, and then watching them all of a sudden now be normal people that you see every day on the street, or watching them how they overcome their illnesses or overcome their disadvantages, and being able to say that I was a small part of that is really rewarding.